In the name of God, the most gracious, the ever merciful. To human beings, erring and sinning comes naturally. Blunders and mistakes emanate from us every now and then. At times, these wrongs are advertent, and at others, they are inadvertent. Sometimes, when we try to avoid making a mistake, we end up making more. Yet, when we realize our mistake, we must make amends and also apologize to the aggrieved person. And we must remember that it is not a sin that counts as much as our attitude after it. It is essential to apologize and say sorry to the person we have caused any harm. Making amends goes without saying. Saying sorry is never easy. It makes us small in the eyes of others, yet it elevates us in the eyes of God. We must also realize that saying sorry for a blunder is the requisite of accepting the truth. Acknowledging a mistake is acknowledging the truth. We have to be true seekers and acceptors of the truth. So, let us be more sensitive in this regard and make it our constant practice to say sorry to the aggrieved person.